Is that road passable in front of you, or did a bunch of debris and power lines just get knocked down in front of you?
This road is no longer passable in front of me. There are trees on this road. This tornado has all but stalled at this point. I've got to watch to make sure it does not come back to the west. It's actually started to go south now.
Need to be going into your tornado shelter or the innermost room of your house.
Hey guys,
let's switch here and put this tornado right here in front of us. Looks like it's continuing to show violent motions here. And Chris, it looks like you're coming up on some debris here. What are you seeing?
Guys, there are houses through here that are just completely gone right now. All the walls are down.
Oh my goodness.
The trees have been stripped bare through here. This is not a good thing. The houses through here, there are several from memory, and yeah, they are all...
Good thing it's going that way. But it's still pretty close to our building. That is so beautiful. Wow.
哇！
快进来，快进来！哇！
哦！
死啦！哎呀，咪吹過你又好放啊！我錄緊。哎呀，好放啊，真係。
阿時關翻好你啲窗添喎。
窗啊，我唔亂動啊。
廚房嗰邊關好未啊？ 會啊，真係會吹過嚟啊，咁恐怖！
哇，真係哇，真係哇，這火！
โอ้น้ำขังเลย